Hints on vibrato. The most important part of a good vibrato technique is to keep the vibrato as even as possible. Start practicing slowly and keep the vibrato as even as possible. Try not to change the rate of the vibrato, like this. And increase the speed gradually once you're more comfortable with the technique. There are no rules for how fast, slow, wide, or narrow a vibrato should be. However, it should be applied with taste to different music styles. For example, a slow and mellow vibrato fits well in a ballad. Whereas in rock music, vibrato should have more attitude and aggression by being played faster and wider. Another tip is that if you're unsure of how fast you want your vibrato to be, you can always try to match your vibrato speed to the tempo of the song you're playing. You should also try to let the note ring out first so that you hear the correct pitch of the note before introducing vibrato gradually.